In this video, we're going to configure our site. I'll give you some details about installing the Learning PHP examples, as well as the PHP MyAdmin. Now, we already went over how to install certain pieces of the equation here in the Windows and the Mac videos. Now, the Mac users are going to also want to watch this video, even though it's on the PC platform. I gave you a lot of details about installing all the different pieces, MySQL, PHP MyAdmin, and the Apache server. Now what you want to do is you want to actually keep an eye on the MAMP server that I was mentioning in the software you need. This is still in beta, and it's going to make things very, very easy like we have here with the WAMP server. I also recommend using the WAMP server because it's going to actually install everything for you very nicely. You don't have to actually worry about installing Apache separately, MySQL separately, and then PHP MyAdmin as well. Now, WAMP server is just an installation program. These pieces of the equation, these different software packages, they're all open source, and this WAMP server actually just installs things very nicely for you. Inside your program _files folder, inside the WAMP folder, you will see this directory. If you actually installed it as I recommended on the Windows platform, then you're going to see this particular directory and this listing of files here in folders. On the Mac, the exercise files and the PHP MyAdmin files will reside in your user directory or web server document folder. And they will look different because you will have installed the Apache server files in a different way than you actually would using the WAMP install package. Take a look at the documents that come with the software packages. It's always important to actually read the documentation, especially when you're dealing with open source packages like Apache, MySQL, and PHP. And take one of the two roads to actually placing your Learning PHP examples and the PHP MyAdmin folders into your Apache Web Server Documents folder or into your username and then the sites folder. And I'll show you those paths now in the Dreamweaver interface. But the first thing you need to do is locate where you're going to put those files. We're just going to copy files into this particular folder structure here. You can see this is the www folder here for WAMP. This contains the site files, the document root, and you'll have folders here already installed for you. This is the project site that I'll be referring to throughout the tutorials to learn various PHP concepts. On the Mac, this file will be inside the same folder